Carol, thank you so much for joining me today, and it's been great working with you. So we have just done your card reading, and just tell me how you feel after that.
Well, this has been absolutely magical because I've been struggling as a result of my shoulder surgery, which is now not painful, but the bicep, because my arm hadn't been moved at all for 4 months prior to the surgery. And anytime I made a movement, the bicep would twinge.
Yeah.
And once we did your movement, there's no pain there now. So
Right.
I mean, it's like magical.
And this was the card that was chosen, going with the flow.
Yep.
And it said, after being stuck and static, your energy is now unblocked and unlocked. Movement, energy, and vitality fuels and floods your body and mind with what you need right now, what you need right now. Enjoy your journey. So we've installed the frequency number and your pain is gone.
That's amazing. Just amazing. So I will definitely recommend you to people and
I appreciate that, Carol.
and follow up with getting your card deck, because I think that would be powerful.
Great. And let me know how you get on with your meeting this afternoon with your follow-up, because that's the second card that we did for you. And that'll only time will tell on that one.
Yes, but definitely there are lots of opportunities that could generate from the flow that came from that card also, which was really interesting that the word flow showed up in both of the cards that we chosen.
Yeah, the second one was flying without wings. As you continually going with the flow of life, what is waiting for you will not pass you by. You remain connected, strong, and uplifted. Well, Carol, thank you so much. I will send you a recording of this too when I have it converted.
Perfect. And I